Good morning. It's time. That's right. It's time to build old Johnny back to life again. Can you believe it's not that time? Oh, I've been waiting for this moment for a while. Get ready. So what we got is a rail rolling system to mount on the trailer for old Johnny to slide on and off of. Now we just gotta figure a way to mount it to the trailer. So I figured out that with these, boat's just gonna be sitting on the trailer right here, so we gotta go get a another like roller for it to sit, because then this is where the winch will be. This one's already free.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's already existing hole.
Sweet. Wow.
Careful there, muchacho. That worked well.
Oh, I can't see.
I'm pointing at
Thing.
Here.
first drill.
Drill, baby, drill. Do you have any carbide bits, Wes?
Well, it's not even that's what's hitting. I think we have to trim around the side here. Or we're gonna trim the hatch, and so it'll fit with the carpet and the carpet on the deck. Front deck is done. I gotta do the middle, carpet that, and we are good to go. Getting all intense. There she is. Nice, simple. Show me. We are set to go. Get some carpet construction. What's up, guys? Yeah, I know. I forgot to film quite a bit, so I'm just gonna kind of do a little recap of what we kind of did, because I was just kind of throwing bits and pieces together. I apologize, you know. I was so focused on getting this done that I didn't even think about you guys, so that was a little selfish moment of me, but it won't happen again. So, alright, well, let's get started. So, here she is sitting in the garage. And we'll start at the nose. There we go. We welded this square tubing on. We put a piece of angle iron, filled it in. Put this buoy that the boat sits up in there, and then there'll be a winch down here. So it's still an ongoing project, but don't look too bad. I gotta paint that up. Deck is held together by 6 screws, and we made it so that it would be super easy, because there's just these 2x4s and then these 2x4s with these deck joists on both sides, and then this one, so that the hatch sits on the boat bench, and then the 2x4s, and then the back brace for the hatch is right here. And I mean, we went just traditional hinges. I put them on top just because we would have had to have trimmed this again to get them inside, to get them like a boat, but you know, it was pretty cheap build, so wasn't too worried about it. Now we're on to the floor. So as I was saying before, remember we had that spacer. That spacer is right here. You can't really tell. I have to lift up from the back. So the floor is just sitting here. Like I said, I want this boat to be duck hunting ready, really easy. So everything in here is not permanent, but So there's the bottom. We had these two things that help the structure of the boat. So we put in two 1x4s in there to kind of, because it was teeter-tottering before. So fits in there perfect. No teeter-tottering whatsoever. The deck gives there's no flexing. It's a 5x8 sheet of plywood that we cut. So that's the plan. Is the trolling motor is going to go right here. I don't know if I want to make a drop for the foot pedal yet. Still thinking about that. And I thought about making a hatch back here, you know, to cover this stuff up, but I don't know. I'm not gonna. I don't know. But in case you're wondering, old Johnny didn't come with a boat plug. State of Minnesota, you gotta have yourself a boat plug. So I got one more project. This project after project, I'm already seeing how people say boats are money pits. That is why. Ms. Basswood, what do you think of the new and improved rig here? Has old Johnny been reborn?
Looks pretty good.
Could you see yourself fishing in it
Pleasantly
this summer?
impressed.
You're gonna be fishing out of this summer?
Hopefully, if I have time.
With the punk?
With a pump.
That is over there in the mud?
He's getting a shower. Oakley.
There you have it. Miss Basswood approved.